Q8914. During inspection of an anti-collision light installation for condition and proper operation, it should be determined that A. Electrical or mechanical interconnections are provided so that the anti-collision light will operate at all times that the position light switch is in the on position. B. An appropriately rated fuse is in position at the light to protect the connecting wiring against electrical faults. C. The anti-collision light can be operated independently of the position lights. The correct answer is C. For proper installation, an anti-collision light must be set up in a manner that allows it to be operated separately and independently from the position lights. This means that the switch or control mechanism used for the anti-collision light should not be integrated or interconnected with the switch or control used for the position lights. The independence of the anti-collision light ensures that it can be turned on or off as needed, regardless of the status or operation of the position lights. This separation provides flexibility and control over the operation of the anti-collision light system, enhancing safety and compliance with aviation regulations. Q8915. Major adjustments on equipment such as regulators, contactors, and inverters are best outside the airplane on test benches with necessary instruments and equipment. Adjustment procedures should be outlined by A. The equipment manufacturer. B. The FAA. C. Aircraft technical orders. The correct answer is A. The equipment manufacturer. Major adjustments on equipment are often specified and documented by the equipment manufacturer. The manufacturer provides guidelines and procedures for proper adjustment and calibration. These guidelines ensure that adjustments are performed correctly and safely. Q8916. On installations requiring alternating current from the battery generator system, it is necessary to have A. A transformer. B. An inverter. C. A variable resistor between the battery and generator. The correct answer is B. An inverter is the correct component for converting DC to AC. It takes the DC power from the battery generator system and converts it into AC power. Inverters are commonly used in applications where AC power is required, such as powering household appliances or electrical systems. Q8917. An aircraft electrical circuit control relay is A. An electrically operated switch. B. A device which converts electrical energy to kinetic energy. C. Any conductor which receives electrical energy and passes it on with little or no resistance. The correct answer is A. An electrically operated switch. This option accurately describes an electrical circuit control relay. A relay is an electrically operated switch that uses an electromagnet to control the flow of electrical current in a circuit. When the relay coil is energized, it creates a magnetic field that either opens or closes the switch contacts, allowing or interrupting the flow of current in the controlled circuit. Q8918. The purpose of a rectifier in an electrical system is to change A. The frequency of alternating current. B. Direct current to alternating current. C. Alternating current to direct current. The correct answer is C. Alternating current to direct current. This is the correct purpose of a rectifier. A rectifier is used to convert alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. It rectifies the AC waveform by allowing current flow in one direction only.